Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Facebook app in your Windows in a very simple way. You just need to come over into your search option, and from here you just need to search for Microsoft Store. After getting Microsoft Store, you just need to click on it for opening, and from here into the home you can see that Facebook is over here. But if you didn't get it, then you just need to simply come over into your search option and going to search for Facebook over here. So if you click on that, your Facebook app installing interface will be open, and you just need to simply click on this get option, and you can see it's buffering. It will take some of minutes to start the installing, so keep patience. And you can see that your Microsoft Store is getting a notification that Facebook is installed into your Windows. So if you just click open from here, also you can check into Facebook in the search option. If you type Facebook, you will get the app over here. So if you click on to open it, you can see your Facebook is opened, and now here you just need to give your email ID or your phone number, then check the password and then click login. You will able to use Facebook app into your Windows operating system, and you can enjoy it as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.